Wow, look at what I have discovered. This is a private, secluded beach out on the Baltic Sea in Värmdö. It is not noted as a beach on Google Maps, but it looks spectacular indeed. It is in some kind of a small neighborhood here where everyone has their own boat. So on a hot day like this, I would suggest that they are going out on the sea indeed. So this is completely empty. This one is located here in the area that I think it's called Vishamn or Sandhamn, something like that, as the bus stop was called Vishamn, and then the road that was going directly to the port, small port over there, it was called Sandhamnsvägen. So just around half kilometer maybe from the bus stop, and you can be on this beautiful spot all by yourself, at least right now at 12:30 p.m. on this 13th of July 2025. So if you want to escape the crowds at Stora Sand, Björnasandana, and even Torpesat Strand on a Sunday like this, then this is a good alternative, I would say. It is my very first time here, and I'm so happy because I have been looking this on the map from Google Earth View, and on the map it looks like it is sand, but it's actually pebbles. Nevertheless, it's still beautiful and nice with all the forest all around. To get here you need to take the bus 428X or 429X actually, because only that one goes on this coast, as the other one goes to Björkvik, but it's not that far even from Björkvik. But close by here is Idalen, and also the sharing badet that I have visited 2 weeks ago, was it? Indeed. Now let me see the temperature of the sea, as I'm very curious how warm it's going to be today. So I'm trying to find the thermometer. So let's check out the water, and unlike the Stora Sand where it is sandy, on this coast we have a bit of rocks in the water. And yeah, it's quite beautiful and nice. And I'm just thinking, is that on the other side Tyresö or Naka? I need to check the map actually. But it's on the open sea for sure, and we can tell that by the temperature of the water. But I'm so happy that I have finally discovered this. And today was supposed to be cloudy and rainy, but the sun is up, so yeah, Stockholm always has the best climate of whole Sweden indeed. We are dealing with 16 degrees Celsius in the air, which is good, I would say. A bit less colder than yesterday when I was also in Värmdö, but in Södersvett. I think with the same bus also I took, or similar. So yeah, let's then check the water and go in for a swim, as I am all alone here at this piece of beauty in Värmdö. I just love when I explore this type of secluded beaches, and they're quite nice indeed. Beautiful. Another day in Värmdö. So then we are ready to go in for a swim here at, I will call it Vishamnsbadet, as that makes much more sense. So ready, set, and go! Whew. It's so nice and refreshing. So nice and refreshing indeed. stunning, I would say. So I check currently that the temperature in Värmdö is 19 degrees Celsius, and it's not gonna get hotter than that, which means that the forecast that said 25 was for central Stockholm. As here we are around 40 kilometers away from central Stockholm out on the sea. So yeah, let's dive once again because why not? Whew. Amazing. So beautiful. Indeed. Cool. Then that's a wrap for this episode from this secluded beach in Värmdö, close to the Vishamn bus stop at Sandhamnsvägen if you want to check on Google Maps. So thank you so much for watching this episode from this Sunday 13th of July, and see you soon again with another beach adventure on my channel, Beach Adventures with Kris!